All right, today we're gonna look at our laser. This is a fiber laser, 12 kilowatt. While it does a very simple thing, cuts a bunch of holes in metal, straight lines, whatever you want. This allows us to bring all the sheet metal manufacturing in-house and basically do whatever we want. You're gonna see it cut some suspension parts that FASS Fab sells to motorsports. There's a lot of detail in these parts, a lot of styling features, as well as they're very strong. This machine, as you're gonna see on the video, cuts very fast. It runs all day, every day, just sheet after sheet. We load 5x10 sheets of whatever we want on there. Press go, walk away. Is really the start of the sheet metal side. All the brackets that you get in the fuel system boxes or all the suspension components. Allows us to provide you another high quality product while also keeping the cost down with having it in-house. Also a lot of flexibility on customization. So when you guys see a product that comes out of either one of our companies, you see a finished product, but before it actually goes out the door, it goes through a lot of revisions, just a lot of changes to either increase the quality, strength, or the design characteristics of that part. This is one of the machines that lets us do that, lets us do it quick. We don't have any lead time outsourcing it, just waiting on other companies. We can design something, walk out 2 minutes later, and have a prototype part that will eventually turn into a production part. If you guys are interested in these kinds of videos, we have a lot more coming. We have a lot more machines to cover. Appreciate you guys watching. Keep an eye out for new videos.